You have probably seen people making money from Forex and you thought it's too complicated. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can start trading today, even if you have never opened a chart before. Now, this video is for Forex beginners. It's strictly for Forex beginners because I want to be showing you how you can start your Forex journey in this particular video. And it's going to be a very, very impactful video. Now, this video I titled it How to Start Forex Trading as a Complete Beginner in 2025. And I want you to stay through this video, watch this video to the end, and you will thank me for watching this video. Now, let's move on. I actually welcome you to Legit Crypto and Forex, where we actually train people on Forex, beginners and also advanced. Now, if you have never traded before, through this channel, you're going to trade Forex and you'll be like a pro. You are going to know where to enter, where to exit, and within a short possible time, you'll see yourself swimming in Forex money. Now, basically, what is Forex? What is Forex? Now, Forex means trading one currency for another to make profit. Now, trading against a pair, it means what? It means Forex. Now, look at the chart here. You discover that we have some currency pairs here. Now, we are using pairs, so let me do away with them. Now, silver, euro is a currency pair. Some of them are commodities. Some of them are commodities. So, but you can also trade commodities. Delete it. Why we have verses here is because we are trading against gold. We're trading gold against the USD dollars. Look at it. That is why we're having the verses in that place. Now let's move further. I want us to understand that trading forex is actually simple when you understand timing. When you understand timing, we have different times or seasons in forex. We have the Asian section, we have the London section, and we have the New York section. These are the major three sections that we have in the forex market. And for you to profit more on this section, you will learn how to trade them. For example, I always tell my students, if you want to profit more, trade more on the London and the New York section. When you trade on these two sections, you're going to make more profit than Asia section, because Asia section is in the night. Most times it's in the night. So trade this London and New York section and you'll see that your trading will actually experience a shift, dramatic shift, and you enjoy your trading. Now, in forex, we have what we call buy and sell. We have what we call buy and sell. Now, this, if you are buying, it means you are going up. If you are selling, it means you are going down. That is what it means. Now, this is the button for sell and this is the button for buy. So if I click buy now, it means that I'm buying a commodity. Now, most times, even in our conventional market, we buy something when price is low and we sell it when price is high. And that is how forex work. You see, if you look at the chart as I'm showing you, you will see that forex does not move in a straight way. It moves in a zigzag manner, up down up down up down, telling you that there is buying and selling going concurrently in the market. Now this that I'm showing you is what we call forex chart, the chart of it. Now every beginner should take note of this. Every beginner should take note of this. Every forex beginner should take note of this. We have different types of chart, but they are not so important. Now, let's move on. Now, this that you are seeing me with is what I call the MetaTrader. Now, we're having that's the application we use to trade forex market. Now, we have two types of application, two major types of application. We have the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Now, I have the two of them on my phone. Look at it. This is MetaTrader. This is MetaTrader 4 and this is MetaTrader 5. They are the two main applications that we have to use to trade the forex market. Now, for you to be able to connect this and trade, you need what we call a broker, because the broker, it is a connective factor where you can connect and they will give you a login details whereby you insert the login details on your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and begin to trade. Now, this is a demo account that I'm using to do this video. It's a demo account. When you want to log in your account, you click on this plus sign, click on this plus sign, and then it will take you to where you can select your broker. You can select your broker. After selecting your broker, you can be Derif, you can be any kind of broker. Click on login, put the login details, something like this, and click on login, and it will log in and show you this chart. So the broker, they are the companies that link us with the larger market. They are the companies that give us login details. They are the companies that we deposit our money with. They are not the forex, they are only broker. They are just a go between, an intermediary between the forex market and the retail trader. And like I said, the platform that we use to trade is MT4 and MT5. Now, every forex beginner should be able to download this application or software and test run it so that you can be able to start learning forex quickly. Because the more you test run, the more you get used to the application and trading. We also have what we call demo account and real account. Now, like I explained to us, this is a demo account. Now we have real account. There is an account. Now it will be the next video that we'll do. Always anticipate video after now. After watching any video in this channel, always anticipate another video. Now I want to grow this very account. Now look at the account. The account is $1.89. I remove the money and I leave only $1.8 so that I will be able to grow it. And I'm going to do video when I'm growing it. I'm going to do video. Now, the aim of this is so that you will know that you can grow a very small account to a very big account. That is the reason why I leave this money. The reason why I deposit this money, I remove and I leave only this money is so that I can do a video to explain to us new users that you can grow a small dollar to a big dollar account. Now, this is a real account. Look at it. You see it, a real account. This is a real account. This is a real account. These are Demon's account. The other ones are real account. Now, we also have what we call a trading plan. Please, you don't need to trade haphazardly. You don't need to trade anyhow. You don't need to trade anyhow. You need to have a plan that will help guide you in forex trading. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan. Now, for example, you trade only in the morning and in the afternoon, or you trade only in the morning and forget the afternoon is the plan. And then the profit you want to be making per day is also part of the plan. These are all part of the plan. You don't just trade anything that you see. No, you should have a plan in your trading career. You should have a plan. And one of the things that actually help traders is support and resistance. I want to just teach us quickly on support and resistance. Whenever you see price moves upward to a level and could not break that level, is called resistance. Whenever price reach this kind of level, they are called resistance. But whenever price moves downward and could not break it and returns back, is called support, such as this. This is our support, this is our resistance. Now this is our resistance. Now support and resistance are key and fundamental in forex trading. Every beginner should learn support and resistance so well. Now I have a video on support and resistance. If you don't mind, you can actually check the video on this channel how you can trade using support and resistance. I have the video. Now this is another resistance, support, resistance. Now price normally respect such level. Now you can see price will bounce back after such level. You see after that level, price bounce back, that is support and resistance. Now there are basic mistakes that beginners in forex usually make. Most times forex beginners usually make this mistake, and the first one is over leveraging. Now you have small account, you want to make more money at once. It's very wrong. Follow everything gradually. Don't use big lot size and much positions because you want to make money overnight. Don't do that. Over leveraging is very bad. The second is trading without a plan. When you begin to trade without a plan, you just go up and crash. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan in your trading career. And the third one is the emotional decision. Now, I always advise traders that whenever you are happy or you are sad, don't trade the forex market. Whenever you are happy or sad, don't trade the forex market. Stay off the forex market. Now, if you have made profit and you're happy that you have made profit today, don't trade again. Hold on to tomorrow before you trade, so that out of excitement you will not do wrong analysis and lose your money, or out of um emotions that you have lost some money, then you keep on losing money. No, no, stick to your trading plan. Stick to your trading plan. If this help you, hit the subscribe button. I'll be dropping weekly videos to turn beginners into confident traders. Now comment, I am ready to learn forex, so I can help you personally in the next video. Just drop a comment and write, I am ready to learn forex, and I will help you personally. In fact, I will handpick you. I will try to handpick the first 10, and we're going to work together. Add them to my platform for free, and from there I will hold their hands in this journey of forex. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.